What's going on, guys? Got the B58 out today. You already know. Nothing crazy. Got the M235 out as well. Gonna be doing some friendly runs against the Charger. Alright, so over here we have my 2017 M240. Pretty much stock. We have a charge pipe, down pipe, stage 2 tune, nothing crazy. It is rear wheel drive, so on the back I'm running the Toyo R888s. But as you can see, still stock ride height, nothing crazy. I do have the rear seats taken out, doesn't do much, they're not that heavy. I am tuned by BM3. I'm just on an OTS map, no custom tune yet. Still working on getting upgraded parts, and then I'm gonna go custom tune. Don't really see a need for it at the moment. Then heading over to Marquise's car. Marquise, come over here, tell us about this car over here.
Alright, what we got here is a 2008 Dodge Charger, 5.7 Hemi. Got a stage 3 cam from Comp Cams. Put a 650 lift on the heads. I got a cold air intake can in, throttle body spacer, long tube headers, Flowmaster 10 series 2.5 inch all the way through, and custom tune on it, custom trans tune, custom motor tune. You know, that's about it.
All right, gonna see how this thing pulls. Can't wait. What kind of tire are you running on the rear?
Tires, running Pirelli all season tires, 20-inch rims. Yes sir, yes sir.
Oh yeah, can't wait to see how these two compete.
Damn.